Hey everybody, this is Living with Perks, and today I have a new video for you. It is a review of a nice office chair. It's not your typical office chair that you would lean in or anything like that as far as like a computer desk goes. It's more of, I guess you would call it like a waiting room style chair is the best way for me to explain it. But it's just something that looks really nice in the home. I think I'm gonna just have it in my office here, if I have someone come visit or, want to have a sit down, they have a nice comfortable chair to do it. So I am going to show you the box it comes in. I'm probably not gonna do the full build tutorial this time around, but I am gonna demonstrate the chair when it's all built and give my final thoughts on it. Alright, so this is the box it comes in. This is the COMHOMA chair. As far as what it's labeled as on the box is a office chair, number H002, made in China. It's one chair, and I'm going to unbox it, put it together, and give you guys my review of it once it's complete. Alright, so what you have here is the completed chair. It is a nice canvas type material. It's a pretty soft cloth, all dark wood, and that's a really nice shiny wood on the handles there. The whole build took me probably about 20 minutes to put together. Very easy. I think there's about 10 bolts that I used, just connecting everything on there. So in comparison to my recliner, it sits about the same height, but as far as the back goes, obviously it's a bit shorter. But this is just a nice little chair to have in a living room or a sitting room of some sort. I'm probably going to leave it in my office here just because it's pretty lightweight, easy to carry around to where I need it to be. We sometimes set up games and, we're missing out on a chair, so we'll take this one and just set it where it needs to go. And I'm going to sit on it and give my final thoughts of comfort. All right. It is a nice little chair. As far as comfort goes, I mean, I can probably sit in this thing for a while. It's not something to sit in long term, in my opinion. If you're having guests over, I mean, this would be a great seat for them rather than pulling out, one of those metal folding chairs or something like that. This is going to be more presentable if you have company over, and that's exactly what I would use it for. Company or having a game night and you just need a quick place to sit, this is going to be the one I pull out. It's probably, I don't know, 20-30 pounds. It's pretty lightweight and there's not much to it, so I think I am going to keep it around. It is a nice little chair, it looks nice, and for the price you really can't beat it. So I do recommend this chair. I'm going to have a link in the description of this video, so if you are interested in picking one up, definitely do so. But as far as the rest of this goes, you guys know what to do. Hit that like button, subscribe to Living with Perks, and as always, we'll catch you next time. Peace.